Check out everything I bought off of Amazon and Walmart.com for International Camporee. Hi everyone, I'm Audra with Pathfinder Strong, and today I have a International Pathfinder Camporee haul. But first, I want to show you my good friends over at the Yellville Sea Turtle Club sent me their new club t-shirt they're going to be wearing at Camporee. Thanks for sending me your shirt. I just want to give you a shout out today. See you in Gillette. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is this is a Coleman Sundome 6-person tent. We already have 11 of these, but we needed exactly 11, and we wanted to get one as a backup just in case poles break or whatever. These tents we've had for a long time. Since it's a 6-person tent, we sleep 3 people in it. They're sturdy, they're super easy to put up, they're relatively inexpensive, they're like $129 a piece. So that's the tents that we're taking to camp. Let's go underneath our tents. We got this all-purpose construction grade plastic sheeting. This is a 100-foot roll, 100 foot by 10 foot, I think, or 12-foot roll. We got 2 rolls, and we're gonna cut this into chunks and put this underneath our tents for a moisture and ground. Right here I have Ozark Trail chairs. We bought 10 of these. These are like more of the Pathfinder kid chairs. These have a 250-pound weight limit. So we did actually buy another variety too. We got this kind. This is an oversized Ozark Trail chair. This has a 400-pound weight rating, and these are just a little bit more comfortable. We usually let the adults sit in these ones. We've used both of these kinds of chairs before, but they kind of break over the years, so we need to kind of upgrade our stock. We used to have 40 of them, and we're down to like 13 because they've broken over the years. So we got 10 of these oversized ones and 10 of these regular sized ones, and those will be going with us to Camporee. This box, I'll show you this stuff in a minute. This is our first aid kit stuff. So I bought these really cute little tiny first aid kits, and this is what's going to go in the backpack of every adult that we go with us, and it's going to hold Band-Aids, burn cream. These are cool. These is antibiotic ointment, but they're in little individual servings, so you don't have to have an actual whole tube. It's just one serving of antibiotic ointment. And then we also have single servings of Benadryl. They're in little single serving pouches, and I also bought single serving pouches of Tylenol. It hasn't come yet, but those are the things. Oh, and moleskin for any blisters, because we're going to be walking a lot. That will be in this that every adult going with us will take. Now we actually have a whole other first aid kit that's in like a tub, like a whole tub of all kinds of first aid kit supplies that you could even imagine, and that we take with us like for big emergencies or whatever. But for things out on the go, when you need a wet one or a Band-Aid or whatever, all of the adults will have that ready to go. But we've got all the big stuff in our big first aid. Okay, I also got these 2 books. I make an honor packet for our kids to do while we're traveling in the car. And we're doing like biblical archaeology and fossils and rocks and minerals in the car. And so I bought 5 of each of these books. We have 5 cars going, so 1 copy will go in each car. And this is like fossils from a Christian perspective. And then this is about the man who discovered Egyptian hieroglyphics. And the kids will be using these books to answer some of the questions and things in the packet. If you're interested in what our packet looks like, I'll share it in the description below. You're welcome to use it if you want. We're going to be stopping at some national parks, Agate Fossils National Monument and Scotts Bluff. That has to do with rocks and minerals and fossils and stuff that will go along with the honors that we're earning in our packet as we drive. Fun, huh? Okay, this is all like the practical stuff. So I bought 2 outdoor heavy-duty extension cords, a 100-foot extension cord that takes up to 15 amps and has a 3 splitter on the end. And then this is a 100-foot 14-gauge 13-amp extension cord outdoor that just has a single one. I wasn't exactly sure what it was going to be like when we get there. I previously purchased a little doodad that converts from an RV electrical plug-in to your regular plug-in like that you have in your house. Something else we thought of was fly traps. I've heard there's going to be a lot of flies there, so I got these reusable fly traps that are activated with water. You just pour in these little crystals, put some water in there, and the flies come and die, and then you dump it out and you can use it again. So we're going to be using this around our kitchen area and underneath our canopies. This is the little refillable fly jar stuff that you stick in there. Then I have a heavy duty Flexzilla garden hose that's 100 feet long, and I also got this garden hose splitter, so I wasn't sure how many clubs would be sharing the same water faucet, so there'll be plenty of holes for everybody to share the water faucet. And last but not least, this is a heavy duty outdoor multiple plug surge protector for whatever we might need, charging phones or running lights or whatever, running our refrigerator. We're bringing a refrigerator, by the way. Anyway, so all this stuff and the other things I've already bought. I've already bought a water purification device. I've already bought all of our compostable plates, napkins, spoons, whatever. All this stuff and all the other stuff I've already bought for Camporee, I have created an Amazon list for, and I'm going to share that with you in the description, so you can go on Amazon and you can buy any of this, or get ideas or whatever for what you might want to buy for Camporee. Okay, bonus item, this came just after I filmed the video. So this is an electric portable air compressor, so it will inflate your tires or your air mattresses or whatever you might need. So we're going to throw this in the car and have it just in case. See you there. If you've bought something for Camporee that you don't see here or you haven't heard me mention, would you please drop that in the comments? I would love to know what you've thought of that maybe I haven't thought of yet. Let's learn from each other so that we get there, we have everything that we need. Please share this video, like, and I will see you in Gillette in 49 days.